Doge is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been killing it in our Telegram channel, almost 200% in the past 2 weeks, and we are about to push 400 members. Make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge, we are seeing a beautiful third retest at a major resistance level at 0.078. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, being the fact that you can see we do have a possible head and shoulder pattern being formed. As you guys already know, usually we tend to see head and shoulder patterns after an upside move. So this is just something to keep in mind as you guys are trading, that sometimes traders will look at this as a head and shoulder before a stronger continuation. Now, in my opinion, I do think that this is actually going to be a breakout formation. With Bitcoin dominance dropping, we can see that the altcoins are seeing some massive rallies. With Cardano and XRP leading the way, we could be expecting a much larger short squeeze across the board. That would mean that Doge could be looking for a stronger continuation to 0.088. Now, looking at the 4-hour perspective, you'll notice the fact that the main area of resistance remains to break above would be 0.078 because of the fact that this level acted as a very crucial midterm support. Once we ended up breaking below that level, that was a confirmation to the downside, and ideally right now this is the same exact level that is acting as a very strong resistance. Any clean break above this level and we could be looking for a massive short squeeze, retesting the highs again. But of course, looking at the bearish perspective, there are a few things we have to talk about. Number one, you can see the fact that the 4-hour time frame, we have seen a beautiful triple top confirmation. There is a ton of selling pressure around the 0.078 level, as well as the fact that we continue to retest 0.07 multiple times. If you look here, even on the hourly time frame, you'll notice the fact that we are starting to see more and more rejection candlesticks. Although we are trading above our exponential moving averages, this of course was a trading opportunity we ended up taking in our Telegram for a beautiful 11% breakout trade. But you can see that we did see a very strong liquidity grab around this region. This is why I'm treading very carefully, looking for altcoin buying opportunities until we see a clean breakout formation of these daily highs. There's absolutely no reason to be looking for that continuation. You can see even here on the daily time frame, although yesterday we did see the break of our exponential moving averages, I mentioned of course the main area of focus would remain at 0.07. Assuming we ended up breaking below 0.07, we were looking for a massive continuation, possibly down to 0.057 on the break of that candle. But you can see of course that from the bullish case scenario, we did end up holding that level, but we are still rejecting off this area. Ideally, from a bullish case, we want to see volume come into the market, which we are not seeing really happen, as well as the fact that we are consolidating within a crucial range, as well as the fact that you'll notice that the exponential moving averages are also consolidating with Doge. This usually leads to a breakout formation. The only problem is, of course, the fact that we have been in this consolidation zone for a very long time, and ideally trading below the EMAs isn't something we want to see. You can see from the daily perspective here, when we actually broke above the EMA lines, we saw volume come into the market, which did cause Doge to have a massive short squeeze opportunity. So the question would remain is whether or not we are going to see the same thing, and ideally that would be recovered as soon as we broke above the 0.088. I have talked about this in other videos as well, but you can see of course the fact that the 0.088 level is a very strong resistance point on Doge. Trying to break above that level is becoming very crucial, and ideally if we do end up seeing a break, we could be looking for a much stronger continuation, rising to 0.11. The reason why is, looking at previous price analysis, you'll notice the fact that the 0.88 level, once broken, we saw a very strong bullish engulfing candle and a massive short squeeze on the daily time frame. Doge shot up from 0.08 going all the way up to 0.11 within a day, and this is exactly what I'm paying attention to see what happens once we enter that range once again. But looking at the daily time frame as of right now, we can't ignore the fact that although we are retesting this resistance multiple times, this is still acting as a very crucial point, because as you guys know, this midterm support level was a very strong support, and right now it is acting as a very strong resistance. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.